Let's go on an adventure with Noah. Why do camels have humps? Find out how they survive in the hot desert. If you enjoy learning with Noah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, my little friend. Hi my little friends, back again with Noah. Today, we're going on an adventure to the hot, sandy desert. Have you ever seen a camel? They have long legs, big eyes, and, wait, what's that on their back? A hump. But why do camels have humps? Let's find out together. Life in the hot desert. The desert is a super hot and dry place. There's not much water or food. The sun shines all day, and sometimes, there's no rain for months. But camels can live there easily. They're called the ships of the desert. Their humps are the secret to surviving such tough weather. What's inside the hump? Many people think a camel's hump is full of water, but it's not. The hump is actually full of fat. That fat works like a battery. It stores energy and food for the camel. So when there's no food around, the camel's body uses the fat from the hump to get energy. The hump slowly gets smaller and softer when the camel uses up the fat. And when the camel eats again, the hump fills up and stands tall once more. How do camels stay cool? Camels have amazing bodies made for desert life. Their thick fur keeps the hot sun away and also keeps them warm at night. They can drink up to 100 liters of water at once. Wow! That's like 400 glasses of water. They can go for weeks without drinking water, using the fat in their hump for energy. It's like carrying a backpack full of food wherever they go. Other cool camel secrets. Camels have lots of special desert superpowers. They have long eyelashes and closing nostrils to keep out sand. Their big, flat feet help them walk easily on soft sand, no sinking. They can survive in temperatures hotter than 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Camels are nature's desert heroes. Fun facts. Some camels have one hump. They're called dromedary camels. Some have two humps. They're called Bactrian camels. A camel can close its nose during a sandstorm. Camel milk is super healthy, full of vitamins. A baby camel's hump is small and soft when it's born. It grows as the camel gets older. How the hump helps. The hump is like a secret storage box. It helps camels stay alive when it's hot, dry, and hard to find food. Without their humps, camels couldn't travel long distances in the desert or help people carry heavy loads across the sand. They're not just funny looking, they're super smartly designed by nature. So my little friends, now we know. Camels have humps not for water, but for fat. Their humps give them energy and help them survive the hot desert. Nature is full of clever surprises, right? Next time you see a camel, remember, its hump is its secret backpack of power. Thanks for learning with Noah. Keep exploring, stay curious, and see you next time on Fun Explorer Kids. Bye bye my little friends.